Good evening, everyone. This is Mr. Taylor with Young Engineers Today. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday. If you can hear me, please raise your hand. Okay, great. Zach, Drew, George, Jean-Marc, Jesse, Anna, Luke, Marissa, Maya. Very good, very good. Okay, let's put our hands down. If you can see my screen, raise your hand. Thank you, George, Jesse, Luke, Marissa, Maya, Anna, Zach, Jesse. Very good. Drew, George. Thank you. Put your hands down. I'm going to apologize out the gate. I'm a little under the weather. My throat's kind of rough. So I apologize if I'm coughing, etc. Today, we're going to review what we covered on Monday. And then we'll go into Minecraft hacking, where our goal is to finish the Hello World code, as well as make a block Marissa, I probably said that every meeting. Yes, Zach.
Um, this is something funny. So on my keyboard, I
Yes.
couldn't change the settings because it wouldn't show my keyboard. And I looked at all the generic brands and they didn't match.
Okay.
So when I had to type the double quotations in the code,
Yeah.
it didn't work. So yesterday, Nicholas came over and helped me.
Okay.
And so because when you put the double quotations with the shift key, it made the at symbol.
Okay.
And so when we pressed the at symbol with the shift key, it made the double quotations.
Okay. So you figured out a way around it. Good.
Yeah.
Good job. Way to be creative. Good perseverance. All right. Thank you, Zach. George. Go ahead, George.
Um, well, I was going to say last class on Monday, I couldn't really get anything done because I had some keyboard problems and also I couldn't open up Minecraft.
Did you run the CD MC
Yes.
Then did you run /Minecraft -pi?
Um, believe so. I opened up in my Minecraft folder how to open because after the lab when we downloaded the Minecraft, I had forgotten how to open it, so it took me like an hour, and then I finally found that of how to open, and then I just typed that in and it was opened. But I couldn't open it last class. I was having some technical difficulties.
Okay. Well, we'll be reviewing, so just pay attention when we review. Okay.
Okay, because I couldn't really do anything.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Yes, Keller. Keller, go ahead. You have your hand raised, Keller. Okay, Keller. Luke, go ahead. Go ahead, Luke.
Um, I wanted to mention there are some keys that are still broken,
Okay.
like that, but before.
What are you speaking to?
Um, uh, the first guy, I forget your name.
Zach?
Yeah. The one with the keyboard problems.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
There are some keys, like, you know how there's two, like, slashes?
Yes.
One of those slashes won't work.
Okay.
On the Pi. I don't know why.
Okay. Thank you for bringing that to our attention. Luke, I responded to your comment on Edmodo.
Alright.
What you're going to need to do is delete it off your Pi by going into the main file folders.
Actually, I did that. I've done that like 15 times.
Now, are you running cdmc pi dots?
Yep.
Well, you're gonna have to bring your Pi at the next lab because I'm not 100% sure, and I have a meeting with Mr. Dubik tomorrow. Because
Alright.
if you're not installing it 100% correct, it won't work either. So, which we had students at one of our labs in Charlotte that kept doing it, but was missing one step.
Alright.
So, bring your Pi to the next lab. Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Until then, Luke, I'll respond to your message again, but I will speak with Mr. Dubik, see if he has any other ideas. Okay? Thank you, Luke. Okay. Now, last class we looked at Python as a programming language. Now, what we're using is 2.7. So you can see the slight difference is with the strings versus the parentheses. So that is one characteristic. And then we looked at using a number symbol for comments. If you're having difficulties figuring out what keyboard, please go back and use the previous webinars. If you can't do comments, it's not the end of the world. Now, please pay attention to this part of the opening a new window is under File. And this also allows you to have the saving options as well, as you can save and save as. And then run, and you run as a Python shell. So please pay attention to that as well, because you will be using that. Okay. Now, now, just follow along. This is completely review. These were shortcuts if you had options, if you wanted to download Python onto your Mac or PC. And then we wrote this code last class where we had you type, hello world, and then my name equals raw underscore input allows you to respond. So when you hit enter and ran this code, you got a response. It would ask you, what is your name? And when you typed your raw input, it would with this code, thank you, Zach. To save, ladies and gentlemen, you go to File. Just like most programs on any computer, you have to go to File and look at the save options. And then when you want to run a code in Python, you also can run the Python shell. And then we did your first code last class. Now, moving on. Now, if you have further information about the review, please see the video that is posted. Now, a few things that we looked at. I'm just going to show you what these are. This is a site that Mr. Dubrick and I have used that helped make Python changes. And you can explore this, and I will post these. And these are some extra helpful websites that if you want to start hacking this on your own, you can look at even further. That was one, and I will post those as I stated in Edmodo. And then Pi Programming has a Minecraft Pi edition where it also helps you out with some features and etc. All right. What I'll just do is I will copy these and send these to you right now. So then you have them. So if you want to explore further after today, you can dig deeper into your own learning. All right. And then our last one is stuff about coding. And it has some basics and some videos and some things that you may find useful if you want to learn to hack this even more. So this gives you, we're going to go over some basics today. Now, moving forward, because we have to get this done today. To launch Minecraft on your Pi, you have to do cd mcpi and launch Minecraft. So please do so right now through your LX terminal. Good, Luke. I'm glad you enjoy those extra useful tidbits. And thank you for sharing. cd mcpi changes the directory, and then /Minecraft-Pi launches Minecraft. Please do so. Yes, Anna.
Are we gonna make our own blocks?
If we have time. That's
Yay!
I want to do Hello World and build a block today. Okay?
Thanks.
All right. Thank you, Anna. Yes, Marissa.
I just wanted to say I was done, opening Minecraft.
All right. Thank you. Excellent job, Marissa. Thank you for following along. Yes, Catherine. Hello, Catherine? All right, Catherine, you're having mic issues. All right. Now, what I need you to do now is open up IDLE, not IDLE 3. We're not using that version, okay? All right, and remember, what we're using Python for is an API. It's an application programming interface. This is used as a software component to communicate with each other. So we're using this to speak with the Pi, Minecraft. All right, and it allows us to modify things. That's what Python's being used for here. All right, so now we have our Minecraft launch. We have our IDLE launch. And what we'll do is we'll redo this code for Hello World because it seemed like some people had issues. Now, click on File after you launch IDLE. Don't start typing into it. Please click on File and select a new window. And then what I need you to do is create this code. All right? All right. Now, Luke, what I would like you to do is make all the code and we'll save it so it'll be there for you. And when we figure out what exactly is going on with your uh, with your Minecraft, that you'll at least have all the files there, and then you can run them. Okay. Well, we're right now, Luke. I had way too many people have problems, so we're trying to give everyone the opportunity to catch up. Once you have this, please raise your hand. If you haven't done it, if you were able to finish it on Monday, please raise your hand. I want to get this done as quickly as possible so we can build a block. Right now, I have Alex, Jesse, John, Keller, and Luke. Okay, I have Noah now. Okay, Maya, just thank you for telling me. All right, Alex is done. Once you're done, please raise your hand. Don't leave your hand raised because I will put it down for you. Drew, what are you guys doing?
We tried to do import Minecraft, but all it says is trace back most recent call last file PyShell line 1 in module.
Did you do CD space MC Pi first?
Mhm.
And then did you period / Minecraft dash Pi?
Yes.
You sure you didn't have any spacing issues?
Mhm.
Please close the LX terminal and run that again. And just double check your spacing on everything, okay?
Okay.
Because the one thing, and this is for you and everyone else, and if you're having a problem, we'll try to solve it. But with these types of code, with Linux and Python, syntax is not, it's unforgiving, okay?
Okay.
All right, so please go through and then let me know what's going on again. I'm calling you if we need to move forward with further resolutions. All right, Marissa's done, John's done, Noah's done. All right, Maya, I haven't heard from you yet. Seth, I haven't heard from you yet. Yes, George.
Well, I am having a problem
With
with
what, sir?
the Python. I typed in import space Minecraft, and then it said the import error, no module named Minecraft.
Did you open a new window?
What?
When you opened Python, did you open a new window before you started typing?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have Minecraft up and running?
Yes. Right next to the Python.
Close Python and reopen it.
Okay.
Because I'm not quite sure. Are you running the IDLE?
Yes.
It's not IDLE 3, is it?
It is not IDL E3.
Okay. Close Python and reopen it.
Okay.
Drew, I cannot right now. I got people that are trying to get this done. At this point, you guys got to know that code. I mean, that's just, you got to know it if you ever want to run Minecraft. I sent it out to you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. For time's sake, we got to move forward, or we're not going to be able to get done with anything this evening. This is the last night we're doing this, okay? Now, we're going to have to save this into the Minecraft Pi directory, all right? When we do this, we have to follow certain steps to get through, just like on any directory source. It's very obvious when you use PCs, you can see like all the slashes where everything's at. All right. Now, you're going to go into Save As, okay? When you go into Save As, you'll have this /home/pi, and this will be all your directory files. Okay. Now, to those who are having problems, like when you want to delete Minecraft, these are your original files. If you go into your directory in your Pi, this is where you can delete things. And when you want to start fresh, if you download a software that's not working right, you can delete them from there. Now, what we're going to click on is the MC Pi. When we click on that, you just double click on it. It will open up so you can do, and we're going to do the same format. Anytime you want to save files, we have to, in Python, so you can hack it in Minecraft, you have to put it in, all right, into this directory. So after you double click that, now we're in the MC Pi. We're going to click on the API. We'll double click that twice, and it'll take us in. And we'll have Java, Python, and Spec. We're going to double click on Python. All right. When we click on Python, we will then click on MC Pi. Now, MC Pi, then that will take you where you need to be. That's the directory pathway. So then when we go to save it, we will save it as hello, all lowercase, no spaces, world, but the W in world will be capitalized. And I will send that out to you. What that should look like. Now, we're going to launch Hello Minecraft, all right? The way we do that is you're going to open a second LX terminal, okay? All right, so go ahead and do that. Anna.
We do that now, or?
Yes, I want you to save it and then open the terminal, okay? The second terminal. All right?
You want your red peppers roasted or straight up?
Roasted.
We'll put some extras on.
I mean, I'll take them straight up too. That's fine as well. Does that answer your question, Anna?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Tell your mom I said hello. Catherine.
So I couldn't hear you before, so I just came back after some time. So I really don't know what you guys are doing.
Okay, we're pretty far ahead now. Are you having technical difficulties?
Not anymore, but before, yeah.
Okay. Let me get everyone moving, and then when we get a moment of break, I'll try to scan back. But I'm trying to get people need to see what we're doing. Okay.
All right.
You have your Hello World code done?
Nope. You want me to go ahead and do that?
Yes, if you can. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you. That'd be great. All right. And Marissa, go ahead.
Okay. So I opened another LX terminal, but I don't know what we're supposed to be doing now.
That's all I want you to do. I'm trying to do this step by step.
Okay.
You're right where I want you to be. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Marissa. You're doing well. Keep it up. Okay. Now just to recap, just to help Catherine out a little bit, we got our code made. Catherine, what I would do is take a screenshot of this real quick so you can have that to keep yourself moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And then we went through the directory pathway. When you go to click on Save As under File, you'll go to click on MCPy. When you're in MCPy, after you double click on that, you'll double click on API. Then you'll double click on Python. And then when you're in Python, you double click on MCPy. That takes you in. And what you'll see is a bunch of codes where they'll end in .py. And what you'll do is type, as I sent out, hello world. And I'll send it out again the way I want you to save it. Now, all right. Yes, Marissa.
Forgot to put my hand down.
Oh, no. Okay. That's fine. So I'm going to double check. Anna, you okay?
Can you go back to that one, the code one, and can you tell me how you take a screenshot on a Mac?
On Mac, it's a, was it Shift Command 4?
4. Thank you.
Which one do you want? This one?
Yes.
And you'll see that you can create a box and you just drag it over it. Got that?
Okay.
Did it work?
Okay.
Okay.
Got it, I think.
Got it? Okay. Great job. Thank you. All right. Now, so we have the open terminal. Now we got to change directories. So to check to see if your Python file is in the right directory, I want you to type ls at the prompt. Now, your file should appear in a list. So ls in the second LX terminal, okay? Now, so what we're going to do here, we're changing directories. So to make what the goal here is to see that we want to make sure if it's being recognized in by your Pi. Okay? So now you can do this in steps where you can go cd mcpy return, cd API return, cd Python return, or cd mcpy return. Or you can type it out like this: cd space mcpy slash API slash Python slash mcpy. This will allow us to see which directory it's in. Okay? So go ahead and do that, please. Okay? I'll give you a minute to do so before I change the slide. And the main reason we're doing this, and you can just listen to me while you're typing this, is we want to make sure it's in the right directory. Yes,
Do I
sir.
just press enter after, or do I have to write anything else?
After cd space mcpy/api/python/mcpy,
Yeah.
just hit return. And what will happen is it should light up all blue.
Yes, it did.
Okay. All right. Great. Great job. And I'm about to tell you what to do next. Okay. Thank you, Zach. Marissa.
I was just raising my hand to say I was done.
Awesome job, Marissa. High five. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after we have that, we're going to launch your program. Okay. And this is how we're going to do it. After that $sign, if everything turned up blue, you're going to type the Python name of your program, .py, which would be, all right, which would be hello world.py, okay? Basically, what this is up here where I'm highlighting with my arrow, this is if you would have did it in steps, cd mcpy return, then did cd space API, where I'm doing the directory one by one. But what I had you do is do it as a whole. All right. Right here, this will launch your program. Okay. Yes, Jean-Marc.
Mine did not show up in the list, and then it did not. It said the command was not found.
Okay. I need you to go back and double check you saved in the right location. Okay.
Okay.
And also, like that, you didn't accidentally put a space before hello or anything like that. Okay. Because what will happen is the ls here, Jean-Marc, and everyone else, the ls, when you type that ls, it gives you the list, which you know. If I would type ls, you can see like, oh, here, there's a block, there's an event, there is a vec3, there's Minecraft, there's a connection, and you're like, oh, I have my hello world, so I can just type it there and it runs it. Do you understand that, Jean-Marc?
Yeah.
Okay, great job. Go back and check yourself. Okay. Yes, Zach.
After everything lit up blue, do I just type in hello world.py?
Yes, you could do that, or you could type ls to double check it's there or not. Oh,
Okay.
you see how there's the ls code? That's a list, and what it does, it will list everything in that directory.
Yeah, I double checked and it's right.
All right, so when I go for it, buddy, because what will happen is after you do that, you're hacking Minecraft, and this is what will pop up. It'll say hello Minecraft world.
Oh yeah, awesome.
It did it?
Huh?
Did it do it?
No, I'm just saying awesome if it works.
Do it. Do it. I want to know.
Can you go back to the other screen with the code?
Just type hello. Make sure the W is capitalized. 3, 2, 1. Did it work?
Wait. Enter. It says command not found.
Ugh. All right, that's a bummer. That's a real Debbie Downer. Did you have the space before the $sign?
Nope.
Did you have, and it came up in your list, right?
Yes.
All right.
I'm retyping it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Let's go with Anna. Yes, Anna.
Can you let me have another screenshot of the one program page? I accidentally messed it up.
What do you want me to show you again?
The program for the Hello World.
All right. There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Tell me when you're ready.
Hold on. Can you give me a second?
I heard you just take it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Jean-Marc.
Now mine shows up in the list, but still says command not found.
Okay. What I want you to do is open up open up another terminal, or actually close the first terminal and reopen it, and then just run your launch, like close Minecraft and relaunch it.
Okay.
All right. Try that and let me know.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Jean-Marc. Yes, John.
Oh, I did it, and it just went down a bar and it didn't do anything.
Did it show it for 5 seconds?
No.
It didn't pop up at all when it launched.
Well, my Minecraft closed down like a few seconds after I did it, so I don't know.
Okay, what I want you to do is open up your Minecraft, like relaunch Minecraft, and tell me if it works.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, John. And Marissa, go ahead.
Okay. I am having problems. Like, I'm having the same as Jean-Marc and I don't know the other guy's name. But
right, so-
I'm doing what you said, like now, but I kept typing ls then hello world in the other one, and it still wouldn't work.
Okay.
Dash.
Did you close Minecraft and relaunch it?
That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Yes, I just did that. So I just relaunched it. So now should I try typing in the other terminal hello world.py again?
No. What we're doing there is checking to see it's there. What I want.
Yeah, I typed ls and it's there, but.
Okay, so what I want you to do is just launch Minecraft in the first LX terminal. Okay.
Okay, I did.
And now look at the screen when you launch it.
Which one?
The Minecraft game.
It says start game.
Okay, now start a game.
Okay. It didn't do it.
Okay. All right. Give me some time. All right. Okay. Luke's typing in. He's done this. It works. Luke, any feedback you'd like to give? Luke, you're unmuted. Luke, you're unmuted. Jean-Marc, go ahead.
My hand is still raised, but it's still not working. Thing.
All right.
But my hand is.
Okay. Let's try this then. We checked all the Python code to make sure that was correct. All right. What I want you to do is, let's see here. Second terminal. What I'd like you to do is to do this step again. And as you stated, we know that it's shown in the Python, like within there. It's coming up in the directory.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try it one more time. By it being shown, we have a lot of good that we're on the right pathway.
Wait, try doing the hello world.py thing.
Try doing this all again.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Jesse.
I'm having the same problem, but should we like close Minecraft first and then do it? Then open Minecraft?
Yeah, try that. Yes, Marissa.
Yeah, I'm doing what you told Jean-Marc to do, but it's not working. Let's see. No, not working. But I'll tell you if it works.
Okay, because this is weird because I've done this before and it works. It's just being hit or miss because of the pod probably. Well, Marissa, try this. We know we have the code right. So let's close all your terminals, open up, run Minecraft again. All right. So we have it up and running,
Okay.
and then go through this process one more time. Okay. All right. Yes, Alex. Alex, you have your hand raised.
Hi, this is Alex's dad.
Yes, sir.
You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
It's not on your foil as well. If you're trying to run hello world.python, you have to say Python space hello world.py.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
That's okay. That's the mistake. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. Appreciate that. All right, everyone, look here. This is completely my fault. I skimmed over this way too quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, when we go to type that code, as Alex's dad stated, we need to type Python right here. And that is completely my fault. So when we are running the code, and I'll actually type that in, it would, before the hello world, it'd be Python hello world .py. So please try that. And I apologize. I'm very sorry. That is completely my fault. Okay, Seth got it. Yes, John.
Mine works now.
Great. Once again, thank you, Alex, and I apologize to everyone. That is completely my fault. I'm very embarrassed. I apologize. That was just no excuse on my behalf. I'm sorry. Thank you, John. Yes, John Mark.
Now I'm saying, trace back most recent call, last file, hello world pi, line 5 and module MC and a bunch of code, and then it says socket error no connection refused.
Say that one more time.
So mine is not working. It says a bunch of code, and at the end it says socket.error. And then like brackets error no 111 connection refused.
All right. And previously, you were getting it shown up in your list.
Yes.
All right. Close that terminal, reopen it.
Okay.
And when you type it in, just have the space, the name of your program.
Oh, that's weird. It went off the list. Oh, wait, never mind. So
Okay.
just close the terminal and reopen it?
Yeah, and go through the directory again.
Okay.
Yes, Anna.
I think I might have solved it. I'm not sure. It didn't pop up not cannot open file or file not found though. Or command not found. So I am hoping that is working.
Okay, when you went through the directory, and then you typed ls for your list, did it come up in your directory listed?
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, Zach?
Do I have to put a space before Python when I start?
No.
Okay, because mine didn't work.
Did you put Python space hello world.py?
Yes.
Did it show up in your directory?
What do you mean?
Did you run the ls? ls gives a list of everything that's in that directory.
It says Minecraft.py and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, hello world.py. Yeah.
Yeah, check your spacing.
Okay.
Yes, Drew. And Wade.
I closed every tab and restarted it again, but it still won't work. Mostly I restarted everything.
All right.
Or retried.
Okay. Has it shown up in the directory?
Yes.
So you can see it. Did you do the Python space hello world.py?
Yes.
Do you have a capital W when you saved it?
Yes.
And everything's showing up in there correctly?
Yes.
This is blue.
Yes.
Do you already have the Minecraft open?
Yes. It says Python can't open file hello world.py or Python hello world.py arrow no such file directory.
Okay. And you typed, did you spell Python correctly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Close the second terminal. Try it one more time, please, because Jean-Marc closed his and did it one more time. It worked.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Jean-Marc.
Mine worked.
Okay. What did you do differently that time?
I just closed the terminal and opened it.
Okay. And that was it. So you just type Python, the space, hello world.py, and it ran?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Catherine.
Mine did the same thing. It just said there's no such things.
So close the terminal and rerun it.
Okay.
Because that exactly, you heard from Jean-Marc, that's what he did. I had him do that and it ran. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. John. John,
What?
you have your hand raised?
No.
Okay.
I accidentally had from before.
Okay, but you got yours running correctly. Excellent. All right. Please raise your hands again. So I was trying to get rid of some hands. We got Seth's working, Jean-Marc's working, Anna's working. Once again, thank you to Alex and his father for my brain fart, for lack of better wording. Yes, Wade and Drew.
It doesn't work. I did it again, but it didn't work.
And when you put it in, can you see it in the directory? You said yes to that,
Yes.
correct? And I just sent that out, and when you type that in, it looked like that. And you have the Python.
Yes.
And you're still getting the same error message?
Yep. Can't open file. Hello. World Pi. Error no such file directly.
All right, do this. Go back into Python and go through the saving process into the directories and do that again.
Okay.
Okay? And I know it's frustrating, but just try that, okay? Yes, Marissa.
I'm done. It worked. Yeah, you're hearing my mom right now.
Hello there, Mom. All right, awesome job, Marissa. Very good. Way to persevere. Alex suggested making sure that the W is capitalized. All right, because sometimes in some of those letters within the terminal, they look like they're capitalized and sometimes they're not. All right, so make sure that's capitalized. Catherine.
So I got the same error message again.
Go back into Python, make sure, double check the pathway, do that again.
What do you mean pathway?
When you saved it. Yours is showing up in the directory. Is it or is it not? When you run ls.
I don't know what you're talking about. LS. No, it's not showing up.
All right. When you type ls, if it's not showing up, you didn't save it in the right space.
All right. So how do I save it in the right space?
You go back to save as, and when you hit save as, you have to go to, you'll open up this. Click on MCPy. Double click, then double click on API.
Okay.
And then double click on Python.
Yeah.
And then double click on MCPy, and you'll see Python codes. That has to be that directory, okay?
Okay, so I just press save.
Yes, but name it Hello World with the W capitalized, okay?
Okay.
All right. Yes, Zach.
I tried reopening the Python 3 times and it still didn't work. So I'm trying to reopen Minecraft again. And I'm gonna see what it does, but it hasn't been working.
Is it, and yours is showing up in your directory, correct?
Yes.
All right. Are you positive that your W is capitalized?
Wait, no, it's not showing up in my directory.
Then you didn't save it in the correct directory. So you need to go back and resave it in the correct directory. And this directory path is the MCPy, API, Python MCPy. Those are all the folders that are within each other.
Okay.
Okay?
How do I go back?
Just go back into Python and click on Save As.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, but it's just going to the Minecraft file.
Then try to save it as another copy. You can do it that way.
Okay.
Or when you're in the Save As, you can do the up folder. Take you to the previous folder.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jesse.
You know in the IDLE code how we had to type in hello Minecraft world? Was the W in world supposed to be capitalized?
Yes, the W in world has to be capitalized.
But in like the IDLE code?
When you saved it, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, Catherine.
All right. This time I saved it right, but it still says invalid. Now this time it says invalid syntax.
Is the W capitalized?
Yes.
Do you have any spaces?
Between Python and Hello World.
Okay, good. When you ran the ls, did it show up in your directory?
What do you mean by that?
ls is a list command. And if you look on my screen, it's right here. When you run that, it'll show you everything in that directory. And that's how we check to see that it's
Where does
there.
it appear? Can you show me again?
ls, literally the letters L and S.
Yeah.
You ran that.
Yeah.
Did it show up down here in your directory listing?
Yes.
Okay. And close that terminal and do it again because that window, that's worked for like 3 other people. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Marissa. George, it's not import, it's import. That might be a part of the issue. Drew and Wade.
Still doesn't work, and I think I found another problem.
Okay.
I can't do import Minecraft. The first step.
In the code?
Yeah. In Python shell. Or IDLE.
And you have a second window. You're doing it in the second window. And you have Minecraft open when you're doing this.
Oh, wait. Here, let me try that first.
All right. Thank you. Zach.
I typed Python hello world .py and all this code came up, but I went into Minecraft and it didn't work.
Did it, in your original Python code, did you put 5 seconds?
Yes.
Try it one more time because if it's launching, it's working. It's just try it one more time.
Okay.
All right. I mean, you're at the cusp of it.
Okay, so it still
Yes.
showed me the same thing. And what did you mean by import?
Did I send that to you or did I send that to everybody? Did I send that to everybody? That was supposed to be for George. George was he typed in import instead of import. Sorry, so you can ignore that.
Okay, and so the same thing popped up, invalid syntax. And I've already done it like 4 times.
I'll look at it tomorrow at the lab.
Okay.
Because I out of the 15 people in class, there's 4 of you haven't been able to get it.
Okay.
So I'll look at it tomorrow in class.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Noah.
I just want to say I got it.
Awesome. Thank you. Very good. Thank you, Noah. And when you ran it, did you do anything differently than what we talked about, or?
I just forgot to open a new window.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Noah.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. All right, real quickly, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We'll keep at it. Tomorrow, if you're in Charlotte, you have a lab, so please bring your pie stuff. Thank you to Alex and his father. Once again, I apologize for my no-brainer, idiotic mistake. And we'll keep at it. It's after 6. You're more welcome to move on. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll try to help those out in Charlotte tomorrow in the lab. And then I'll post some more information on the website, or on Edimodo, excuse me, to help out with things. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, have a wonderful night. I want to keep anyone any longer. It's already 2 after. Unless you have any final comments, questions, etc. Zach got his to work. Awesome. Maya got hers to work. Have a great night, everybody. Thank you always. I appreciate your help, your input, your feedback, and being part of Young Engineers today. Yes, Jean-Marc. Jean-Marc, go ahead.
If you have time in the next webinar, if you have time in the next webinar, will you be doing the block?
I was planning on moving forward. If you guys really want me to, I'll do it. But yeah, I'll let you know on Monday. Let me talk to Mr. Dubik and look at our calendar. Okay.
Okay.
If everyone's like, yeah, I really want to do the block, we'll do the block.
Yeah, I want to do the block.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Jean-Marc. Marissa, go ahead.
I just wanted to say thanks.
You're welcome, Marissa. You did a great job tonight. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ta-ta. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.